For the last performance of today's competition, Annapurna House will be performing a group dance to the iconic songs of the one and the only Bollywood legend, Shah Rukh Khan, who is also referred to as the King of Bollywood. So get ready to be blown away by our talented group of dancers.
Chaya,
competition. Now, may I please request Ms. Ritu Joshi ma'am to enlighten us with her inspiring words.
Good afternoon, sir, teachers and my dear children. I'm still dancing. Especially the group dance, my God, what energy. I'm still dancing. So many Shah Rukh, so many Salman. My God, excellent. Boys, if you're hearing me at the backstage, excellent. Full of energy. Each and every dance, especially the group, mind-blowing. Very difficult for us to decide which one was the best because each one was excellent. And especially the solo dance of Safar Koirala. He did of that Ma, if I'm not wrong now. I also felt like that emotion, he could create that emotion in me. And one thing that I noticed very minutely about him, the Kathak steps that he did. It's very difficult for the boys to do the classical dance. But in the Kathak step, if I am not wrong, Sagri ma'am knows better, I am not a Kathak dancer. This one. Perfect timing it was. Excellent children. Excellent program. Congratulations to all the dance teachers. Every year I wait. Today the program is over. I'll start waiting from today only. Next year, when I'm going to come again and see such a beautiful program. Congratulations. Keep it up. Keep dancing. Dance is very important. It's a very good exercise, children. I also dance. I love dancing. So keep it up. Thank you. Thank you to all those who are behind the scene. Excellent program. Thank you and God bless you all. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am, for your graceful words. Now, I would like to kindly request our respected principal, sir, to share with us a few words of encouragement.
Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, faculty. Good afternoon, children who performed on stage. First of all, let me compliment smart dancers who entertained us today, this afternoon. Excellent. There are some areas which could be improved, which I'll be discussing with the dance teachers. Otherwise, it was an excellent program. I enjoyed every bit of it. Like the judge said, she dances. I don't dance, I make people dance. That's what I do. But I enjoy dance. Many times, I keep wondering whether I could do the way you can dance on stage. One thing which I noticed today, like I said, it was a very good program. One thing which I noticed, which was a happy note, that in the group dance especially, the boys were performing as good, if not better, than the girls. That's what I noticed today. Normally in modern Indian school, I find boys are a bit reluctant to come on stage and dance. But today, for a change, I found most of the boys exceptionally doing well, if not outperforming the girls. So I would like to compliment the boys for coming on stage and performing so very well. Not that the girls did not do, they did quite good, but they have been always doing good. But this time, for a change, I found boys also doing equally good. So my compliments to all of them. Let the better one win. That is for the judges to do. I would like to compliment the dance teachers, the house in charges, all the volunteers, the senior appointees who have been preparing. I know that you have been working for quite some time to put up the show on stage today. My compliments to all of you, my dear children. Keep it up. Well done. So that is one thing, my dear children. The discipline has to come from within. I don't have to be reminded every second time that do this, do this, do this. I know what I'm supposed to be doing. Same way, you all are young, but you are grown-up children. You know. Our job is to sit and enjoy and compliment and congratulate and encourage the children. That's what we are supposed to be doing. Okay, so that's a small piece of advice. I don't want to kill the show. Excellent, my dear children. If you are listening from behind, excellent, keep it up, well done.
Thank you, sir. With this, we have officially come to an end of today's program. Thank you for attending, and we hope you enjoyed today's performances.